You guys are good to go.
All right. Coffee liqueur. Homemade versus the original Kahlua coffee
I'm
liqueur.
thirsty.
What are you thinking? All right, so we're going to taste the original first. We'll taste the homemade second.
Did you ever do a video on how you make it?
We do. We have a video on how to make this. Let's make sure we win beforehand. So
This sounds like cheating to me.
A little bit.
one for the producer because she always complains that she's left out.
I am.
We did include her this time. So this is Kahlua. Now, one thing I did notice when we poured this is way thinner than ours.
Mm-hmm.
Way thinner.
Yep.
Tastes like Kahlua.
No, yeah.
I mean, it's what you expect, right?
Kahlua is what Kahlua is.
I'm clueless.
Producer, you got an opinion?
I mean, it's good.
Stop licking the glass.
Yeah, I
Okay,
am.
next one.
Take it in.
All right, this is homemade. Head to head right here.
Not quite fair though. Ours is cold.
You think this
Homemade
is-
cold, and this is
You think this is thicker?
It is fair. It is thicker. When you pour it, it is thicker for sure.
because I don't want my drink melting.
But
That'd be good
tastes
over
like
ice
coffee.
cream.
It's got a lot more coffee flavor than
A lot
this.
more coffee.
Absolutely. More coffee flavor, a little thicker on it.
Can you see in there?
So when you add
You
this,
see,
Here's my
actually,
vanilla bean seeds.
look at that.
Yep.
You can see in the bottom. You can see all the inside of the vanilla beans. So
Yep.
there's
I might be a little
Here's
biased,
a little
bit like
but
pulled
More
pork,
vanilla,
too.
more vanilla too. Absolutely.
this,
It goes right
all
through
I
it.
tasted with the Kahlua was sweet. With this,
Yep.
I taste the coffee, then I taste the vanilla.
Yes.
I could pour this over ice cream and be a happy
$28?
person.
How much
Yes,
was
well
this?
done.
$28.
If we made one,
It's a lot closer to 10.
just
Oh,
need
man.
The most
Just
expensive
need
part of
bucket.
this
And
is the
better.
vanilla bean.
Oh,
They're not that expensive.
But we made this homemade. I'll put the link right down in the description. Check out how to make this.
Oh,
at
that's
home.
good.
Tastes like coffee. Tastes like vanilla. This
Yes.
is just kind of sweet. Kahlua. I don't even taste coffee here.
No.
To be
Minimal
fair.
coffee compared to that.
So we're going.
I need to wake up.
Hit me. All right. What do you guys think?
Yeah, homemade.
keep making the
Homemade
homemade.
all the way.
Coffee
All right.
and vanilla flavor.
And it's
Yes.
easy to make.
Sounds like a landslide to me.
Sweeter.
Click that thumbs up, like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and well, we'll see you next time. Thanks, Timmy.
Later.